Experiencing Skype crashes on Windows 11? I'll share fixes to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for quick solutions to ensure your Skype calls and conversations remain smooth. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings app, then click on Apps followed by Apps and Features from the right side. As soon as you're inside the Apps and Features box, look for the Skype application by typing its name into the search field and selecting it from the three-dot menu, followed by the Advanced Options option. Scroll down until you find the Reset section, then click on the Reset option. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings app, and navigate to System in the left panel, followed by Troubleshoot from the right side. Once you are inside the Troubleshoot menu, click on the Other Troubleshooters option. Now scroll down until you meet the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and click Run next to it. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings app, and navigate to Apps in the left panel, followed by Optional Features from the right side. Now click on View Features next to the Add an Optional Feature option. Search for Media Feature Pack in the search bar, select it, and click on Next, followed by Install. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings window, and click on Apps, followed by Apps and Features. Once you're inside the Apps and Features window, search for the Skype app by typing it in the search bar and click on the three-dot menu, followed by the Uninstall button. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.